Are you looking for a quick and simple meal option that is both tasty and satisfying? Try this recipe for smoked sausage with bell peppers instead. You may quickly prepare a flavorful and tasty supper with just a few basic materials and little preparation time. This dish is ideal for weeknight throughout the work week when you need something quick and easy. Why not try it out for yourself to discover how simple and delicious it can be? For this recipe, we will be using few basic items to make a tasty and delectable meal. First up comes smoked sausage, which gives the food a rich and smoky flavor. Bell peppers, onion, garlic, and chili will also be used to give the flavors more depth and complexity. We will be using soy sauce and some seasoning to combine everything into a tasty and pleasant sauce. Finally, a little butter will be added to give the dish a rich and creamy texture. You can make a wonderful and nutritious meal with these ingredients that are suitable for any night of the week. Put a pan on fire and allow it to heat up. Choose a pan that is large enough to accommodate all the ingredients comfortably. Add unsalted butter to the pan. Since the sausage is already salty, using unsalted butter will help balance the flavors. Allow the butter to melt completely and heat up. Meanwhile, wash the smoked sausage under running water. This step helps remove any excess salt or seasoning on the sausage. Once the butter is melted and heated, carefully place the washed sausage in the pan. Make sure the sausage is evenly distributed in the pan. Fry the sausage over medium heat for about 5 minutes or until it develops a golden brown color on one side. Gently flip the sausage to the other side using a spatula. Fry it for an additional 5 minutes or until both sides are nicely browned and the sausage is cooked through. Remove the sausage from the pan and allow it to cool slightly. Slice the sausage into smaller particles or bite-sized pieces and set aside. In the same pan, add a little more butter and allow it to melt. Add the sliced onions to the pan and stir them around. Fry the onions for 1 or 2 minutes until they become translucent and slightly softened. Add the sliced garlic to the pan and fry the garlic for an additional 1 or 2 minutes until it becomes fragrant and starts to turn golden. Next, add the bell peppers to the pan. Stir thoroughly to mix the ingredients and coat the bell peppers in the butter. Let the mixture fry for approximately 2 minutes or until the peppers begin to soften slightly. Add the sliced sausage back to the pan with the onions, garlic, and bell peppers. Stir and mix everything well to combine the flavors. Allow the mixture to fry together for about 5 minutes. At this point, you can add your choice of seasonings. to enhance the flavors. Common seasonings that go well with smoked sausage and bell peppers include paprika, black pepper, and thyme. Stir the seasonings into the mixture and let it fry for an additional 1 minute. Finally, add soy sauce to the pan. Stir to mix it well with the ingredients. Let the mixture fry for an additional 1 minute to allow the flavors to combine. Once everything is cooked and well combined, your smoked sausage with bell peppers is ready to be served. Transfer the dish to a serving plate and enjoy it as a flavorful main course or a delicious side dish. Thanks for watching this video and learning how to make this delicious smoked sausage and bell peppers recipe that's perfect for busy weeknights. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy watching it and share it with your loved ones. Please let us know what you think of this recipe in the comment section below, as well as any recommendations you may have for future videos. For more simple and delicious recipes like this one, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. We appreciate your interest and hope to see you in the next video.